Jocelyn.
And I'm your host, Rebecca.
And this is Chem for Kids!
Today's episode, identifying missing mass and understanding the usefulness of knowing the amounts of substances involved in a chemical equation.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, look, a tree! An apple tree, to be precise. I'm going to take an apple from that tree.
Say, Naomi, I have a question. When you eat an apple, what happens to the matter?
It's just rearranged inside your stomach.
So you're saying that the matter inside of the apple doesn't disappear, but it just rearranges itself inside of your stomach?
Exactly. Matter cannot be created nor destroyed, just rearranged.
And that's the law of conservation. But wait, what about that tree?
Whoa, I'm unbalanced. There's 2 apples in one pear. I'm gonna fall.
Now, if I can help it. And now you see, there's one apple on one side and on the other, which shows that it is balanced.
Much better.
Similar to the tree, chemical equations must also be balanced. So, here we have a chemical equation that reads HCl plus NaOH equals X plus H2O. X is the missing mass that we'll be solving for. So the first step is to make an inventory of the elements that we see in the equation, which are hydrogen, chlorine, sodium, and oxygen. So the next step is to find what we have. We're going to count the amount of atoms of each element we have on each side. So how many hydrogen atoms?
2!
Good job. And how many are on the right?
2!
Great. How many chlorine atoms?
1!
Good job. And on the right?
0!
Good. How many sodium atoms do we have?
1!
And on the right?
0!
And finally, how many oxygen?
1!
And on the right?
1!
Good job, guys. So the next step is to find what we're missing. So it's clear that we're missing a chlorine atom and a sodium atom because as the law of conservation states, matter cannot be created or destroyed. So there has to be an equal amount on each side. So I'm replacing X with NaCl. That balances out the equation because now we have 1 chlorine atom on each side, 1 sodium atom on each side, 2 hydrogen atoms on each side, and 1 oxygen atom on each side.
In short, to find the missing mass, you have to make an inventory,
Fill in the inventory with what you already know.
Find what's missing.
And fill in the missing masses.
But wait, what is the usefulness of knowing the amounts of substances involved in a chemical equation?
Well, Rebecca, in order to balance an equation, you have to know it's on one side so you can balance it on the other side.
Makes sense.
Yeah, it does.
See, kids, you learn something new every day.
That's right. Thanks for watching
Chem for Kids!
Closed captions are provided by the Wickline Science Period 5 Foundation.
Oh, look, a tree!
What's missing?
and fill in the missing mass.
And how old are you for precise? I'm really big. It's okay.
What is the usefulness of knowing the amounts of substances involved in a chemical equation?
Two!
All right. And on the right side?
2! No.
Come on.